When the Sites feature is turned off, it can be activated in More and App Settings. Simply move the slider to the right to activate the function. The function site is used as an overview if you have set up several networks. It can be very useful if you have set up networks in several locations, or also to be able to display the networks in a house clearly on one page in the OcuAir app. If you tap on the function Sites under More, change site, and then on Create a new site, you first need to log into your account. Then go back. I already created a site here, which is called Home. As you can see, there are no networks yet on this site. So I'm going to click Add a new network to the site and choose my networks. On the plus, you can add more networks. Confirm with Done. The networks are now clearly arranged by location, and you can quickly jump back and forth between them. To control, just tap on one network and then choose the light you want to control. You can also create scenes across the networks. Simply add a scene in the Scenes tab and configure as usual. Luminaires from all the networks in the site can be added to the scene.